Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your bank switching on your gyro, vstabi. And you want to know first, what is bank switching? What is that all about? Well, bank switching lets you have different flight styles via either your idle up switch or your gyro gain switch. Active banking works off of your gyro gain channel. So if you enable banking, you'll lose the ability to adjust your tail gain from your transmitter. You'll have to adjust your tail gain from right here on the gyro gain. So if you had banking enabled, say in your like me, I have mine set up on my idle up switch. So my normal mode is set up for scale. Then my idle 1 is set to a 90, a 3D flight. And my idle 2 is at about 112, just on the aggressive. I'm just testing these flight modes to see which one works best for me. After after I find which one works best for me, I still do use it through different styles anyway. So you could say, for example, we had 2 idle ups. You could test this, see what it feels like in idle 1, and you can test that and see what it felt like in idle 2. Or, like I said, if you could fly in those 2 different styles as well, you could set it up where you had different yaw rates, where your helicopter would spin around slow right here, and you flip your idle switch or your gyro gain, and it would spin fast right there. Now, to enable active banking, you have to go over here, and this one right here, you have to enable this if you want to adjust your gyro gain from your transmitter. I know a lot of guys are adjusting the gain on the transmitter and probably think they're doing something, but you're not, because you must have this enabled to adjust the gain from your transmitter. Because if you don't, then you have to adjust the gain from this slider right here manually. So anyway, we go over here to bank 0, 1, 2, and 3. So if your transmitter is supported, 0 be normal, and you had 3 idle ups, or your switch had 3 positions, you could have 3 different flight modes here, styles, or whatever you need. So after you you see how there's the program, the gyro gain for your transmitter. When you set this to 0, 1, 2, and 3, then you must go to your transmitter, and you're going to go to your gyro channel. And your gyro gains must look like this. They must be 0, 25, 50, or 0, 50, 100. You only have one idle up, like you got a DX6, and I guess you'd probably be 0, 25 or 0, 50. So anyway, when I'm in normal mode, you see there's no gains on normal mode. Idle 1 is 25, and idle 2 is 50. It's that simple. So once I've set my gains in my transmitter, then I want to go to while I'm in normal mode, I'll slide this, for example, I'll slide this bar right here. Then I'll flip idle into idle 1, and I'll slide this bar up there. Now I go back and check my transmitter. When I flip it, when I'm in normal mode, it should stay right here, and when I flip into idle 1, this should jump up there, and then you know you have it set up properly. If anybody's having any problems understanding this video, please let me know. I'd be glad to redo it for you or explain if you have a problem. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped you guys out.